How to fix your Snapchat Bitmoji. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can fix your Bitmoji for Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to fix a Bitmoji for Snapchat, it is very simple. All you have to do is make sure first of all you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you have updated the Snapchat app, I want you to go over and open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how the interface is actually going to look like. Now what you have to do is, it really depends upon what you're trying to fix in the first place. If you want to change some of the settings of a Bitmoji, you can do that as well. If you want to remove or delete it, you can do that too. So just tap on your Bitmoji profile first of all on the top left corner of the screen, and you'll be taken to this page, and you can see that this is our current Bitmoji. You can go ahead and then actually share your profile link, save to camera roll, you can change the selfies and so on if you want. But other than that, if you want to fix the other settings, tap on the gear icon on the top right. Once you tap on the gear icon, you'll be taken to the settings page, and on this settings page you just have to look for the option called Bitmoji. So as you can find the option called Bitmoji over here, tap on it. As you tap on the Bitmoji option, over here it really depends on what you want to do. You can edit your Bitmoji if you really want to. You can just go ahead and choose the new styles and so on. You can edit the hairstyles, you can edit the colors, skin tones and so on. You can choose a new selfie as I said earlier, or you can also change the outfit of your Bitmoji character as well. As you can see, once you've done so, if you want to unlink your Bitmoji, you can tap on the unlink button as well if you do really want to. But this is it, and this is how you can fix your Snapchat Bitmoji. It really depends on what you want to do as well. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.